You never fail to amuse me. Why are you wearing shades inside a room full of light?
ये बड़े-बड़े लोगों से देखा है, बड़े-बड़े लोगों से सीखा है कि रात को चश्मे पहनने से नींद आती है।
Are these some sort of UV filter shades or something like that?
They are blue light blocking glasses.
अच्छा,
So since
अच्छा.
we live in a world where we are surrounded by screens
True.
and
Like we're in front of one right now.
आज की रिसर्च कहती है कि भाई स्क्रीन से आपका मतलब स्टिमुलेशन ब्रेन हो रहा है ज़्यादा और सोने से 1 घंटा पहले आपको स्क्रीन नहीं देखना चाहिए। पर फिर
बिल्कुल.
करेगा क्या आदमी अगर स्क्रीन नहीं देखेगा? तो स्क्रीन भी देखें और ये भी लगाएँ। तो उससे क्या है बोथ बोथ थिंग्स कैन बी अचीव्ड।
संतुलन बना रहता है.
यस, संतुलन बनाने के लिए है और ये हमारा स्केड्यूल है।
Heavy, heavy stuff, heavy stuff. Take us through that, Paji. What's on it?
So I do a week. It's just a habit यार, like it's good to have that
Hmm.
come and check it out कि क्या है क्या नहीं. So this is like a weekly notepad to weekly schedule.
Right.
So as you can see, the last week has gone and this week Monday was a day off. So I did either gym or golf.
Hmm.
But golf का टाइम नहीं मिला
What does
क्योंकि
it say
आते नहीं है.
below that? Babies?
ये अपनी जो बिल्लियां हैं उनका कैट फाउंटेन है जो पानी का उसको
अच्छा,
चेक
अच्छा.
करना पड़ता है बार बार क्योंकि उसके अंदर
अच्छा,
बग्स वगैरह गिरते रहते हैं
अच्छा, अच्छा,
मच्छर
अच्छा.
वगैरह. तो बिल्लियां
अच्छा.
अपनी बहुत मतलब दे आर prim and proper. They won't drink the water if there is some bug in it.
स्टैंडर्ड्स आए हैं.
It is my
और ये
job to
और ये
check
जो
the bug.
बिल्लियां हैं कोई मामूली बिल्लियां नहीं है आपकी गुरप्रीत सिंह संधू की स्पेशल पर्शियन बिल्लियां हैं.
They are my support system.
Oh, that's sweet. Okay,
और
then we get to Wednesday.
Wednesday is training this week. Again, Thursday, Friday, sub training है. Saturday को training and then travel to Kolkata.
Right.
And then Sunday we face Intercash.
Big business ahead of you. And I want to get
Yes.
straight into business. I want to know about your business from the last match you played.
What a
भाई मैं थोड़ा
businessman.
या सीन सेट कर देता हूँ, ठीक है? मैं देख रहा था बेंगलुरु वर्सेस मोहन बगान घर पे बैठ के और मुझे हो रहा था इतना फोमो क्योंकि कंतीरवा मैंने इतना तो पिछले सीजन भी नहीं देखा था पैक्ड. मतलब
Yeah,
द
man, I was so
स्टैंड्स
surprised.
या द स्टैंड्स बिहाइंड द गोल वर आल्सो फुल,
Yeah,
राइट?
yeah, yeah. North India.
Madness, absolute madness. What was it like playing in that atmosphere, first of all?
It's great, man. Firstly, जो management और जो club ने initiative ही लिया to invite women to walk out with us, the women
Yeah.
that we hold close to us. That was a great initiative in itself, and for them to see like how it is walking out on the pitch when the Kantirwa is full. मतलब
Mm.
मेरे दिमाग में तो यही चल रहा था कि यार कहीं खाली स्टेडियम ना हो
Mm.
कि मतलब you're doing such an important work with your important persons
Yeah, yeah,
and स्टेडियम में अगर वाइब भी ना हो एनवायरनमेंट भी ना हो तो मजा ना आए.
बिल्कुल.
But Bangalore is it comes out on the top and people made sure that they filled the stadium. It was such a great experience, especially for me to walk beside my wife and
Mm.
उनको भी देखने को मिला भी यार this is how it feels when you walk out on the pitch you see the banner, you see everything,
Yeah,
you see
yeah,
the people chanting and everything. It gives you goosebumps as well.
yeah.
So it was a great experience, man.
And you were clearly feeling it because you were clean with your movement, with your collection, a couple of crucial saves also.
जूते
First
पड़ते
game.
हैं ना भाई अगर बीवी के सामने ऐसा कांड कर दो कोई है तो प्रेशर इज देयर. फैंस का तो है ही है पर अपना अपने कोच साहब का भी है.
अच्छी बात है ना? It keeps you in check and accountable from both ends.
Yeah, man. Like after, thankfully, it was a uh, fun game. Let's say,
No, it was
मतलब
a
it was.
good game. Yeah, it was a good game to
I think,
watch.
in my opinion, for a neutral, I think this was probably one of the best football games this season.
Yeah,
I think.
the best game in
Even
my
though
view.
like possession
Yeah,
wise and all that, of course, like Mohun Bagan is playing on a different level, so they had good possession and everything. But
yeah,
I
yeah,
think with the firepower that we hold, we did our best in the moments we had the ball as well.
yeah.
So it was a great bout, let's say. मतलब ये वो जेक पॉल और माइक टाइसन वाला बाउट नहीं था. ये मतलब थोड़ा प्रॉपर बाउट था ये
It was a bout of equals,
the big bout type.
and it could have gone either way. You could have won
Yeah,
it. बगान could have won it as well. उन्होंने दो बहुत अच्छे चांसेस मिस किए हैं जो कि मेरे ख्याल से you wouldn't have been at fault. For example, if that Rodriguez goal had gone in, इतने पास से गया है वो.
yeah, the corner man. वही तो है ना, like they are good. They are having a good moment as well.
Hmm.
And when you're a team who's scored like 10-15 goals in 3-4 games, तो आपको कॉन्फिडेंस डिफरेंट लेवल का होता है.
Hmm.
तो some way or the other you get close to scoring every now and then. बट अच्छा था भाई, थोड़ा प्रेशर बना के रखो, दूसरों को भी लगना चाहिए कि हर गेम ऐसी नहीं होनी चाहिए इजी.
मेरा पता है mid conversation my mind is just not being able to compute or take the fact that you're sitting with shades inside seriously.
हाँ तो क्या
पता नहीं,
उतार दूं?
sorry. नहीं नहीं, उतारो मत, let them be, let them
हाँ,
be.
ये पता नहीं, लोगों को देखना चाहिए ना, ये क्यों पहना है शेड्स. जब ये वीडियो हम डालेंगे और उसके ऊपर जब कवर डालेंगे वीडियो का, तो उस पे डालेंगे व्हाई डिड ही वेयर शेड्स.
ठीक है, done.
हाँ,
Okay, fine. You
thinking
know, we
behind
can
the shade.
we can lead with that as our little teaser for this episode. ठीक है ना?
हाँ, क्लिक गेट.
Okay, but Paji, coming back to Kantirva, without throwing shade at other teams, see what I did there. Without
क्या
throwing shade
बात.
at the teams, the fact that I've covered the ISL closely now for, I'm not involved directly this season, I'm still covering it, but for 4 seasons before this, right? And I've been to every stadium there is to go to. You've played at every stadium there is to play at. And there are few stadiums, in my opinion, which I've had a very good viewing experience at. Uh, and I'll name mine first. Uh, and I'll tell you what I'm leading into. So, of course, JLN Kochi, right? When it's packed, when it's completely in form, and when the team is doing well, it's a loud place, one of the loudest places. All right. Of
Yeah, it is
course,
definitely.
Salt Lake in Kolkata. In the last few years, Mohun Bagan fans, the turnout has been increasing consistently, and now even East Bengal is doing well, so their fans are also turning out in
Nee,
more
but
numbers.
let me cut you here.
Hmm.
In terms of viewing, from a stadium
Hmm.
seat,
Hmm.
I don't think those two stadiums are the best stadiums to
Hmm.
watch football.
वो तो पाजी मतलब
And
इंडिया में हमारी लीग में बहुत कम ऐसे स्टेडियम्स है व्यूइंग के हिसाब से. व्हाट आई मेंट मोर वाज फ्रॉम
experience,
हाउ अ फैन फील्स द
atmosphere basically.
the atmosphere. Thank you for
Hmm.
simplifying. I don't know, I made it very complex. You just simplified it for me. Atmosphere. Okay, so JLN, Salt Lake.
How is Kantirva not one of your top three, man? Top
I'm,
two?
I'm coming to it. I'm coming to it. So I'll tell you what. I do you remember was it a playoff match against Mumbai City FC 2 seasons back at the Kantirava when Jingan was playing for you and he had scored the winning
That
penalty
was
in the
three
shootout
three seasons ago. Yes,
3 seasons
three
ago.
2 seasons, I think. Yeah,
Yeah. Paji,
2022, 23.
yeah. That was the first time I was in front of a packed Kantirava. I was covering the game, right? I have never heard a crowd louder than that. It's not as much in number as compared to a Salt Lake or even maybe a Jalen, but there's something about the stadium, the acoustics of that stadium, which just makes it so
Yeah,
bloody
yeah,
loud, yaar.
deafening. I think it's the people who come into the stadium. The people who have been coming for the last 10 years now,
Yeah.
and you can say कि अपनी जो crowd है, they are more organized. Now
Hmm.
you can see the people in Salt Lake as well, Mohun Bagan, East Bengal, even their fans are getting more organized in
Hmm.
terms of supporting
Hmm.
the team.
Hmm.
So that makes a huge difference.
Hmm.
और बीएफसी तो पुराने दिनों से करते आ रही है, तो
Hmm. Hmm.
like obviously people are more organized in that
Hmm.
manner.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
So yeah, man, that was a crazy game. What a crazy run though. Before that, what a crazy run we had. After losing, I
That
think four or
season.
five games in a row,
Yeah.
then
Yeah.
suddenly, मतलब ऐसा था भी क्या क्रिप्टो करेंसी निकली है एकदम जीरो से. सीधा मिलियनेयर।
स्कीम स्कीम में डाल दिए पैसे और वो स्कीम चल गई। और वो स्कीम सिर्फ आप लोगों को पता है और साइमन ग्रेसन को पता है वो स्कीम क्या थी।
Yeah, I think I think we have the dressing room for it. I think we
या
have the players for it. If
या
you look
या
back at the team, Sandesh, Roy Krishna,
हम्म
Alan Costa, Bruno,
या
Sunil Bhai, like these are
यू
high pedigree experienced players.
यू आप।
मैं तो बहुत सालों से इधर ही हूँ, मैं
हाँ,
तो
तो
चलते ही
हल्के में
आ
मत
रहा हूँ।
लो अपने आप को।
पूरा सेल ब्रदर।
डू यू स्ट्रगल विद कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स?
जनरली है।
हाँ, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, चलो। विल
हाँ,
कम टू दैट लेटर, मच टू अनपैक। आई कैन।
ज्यादा बोलते रहोगे तो फिर मैं एक्सेप्ट भी कर लूंगा, पर ऐसे बीच बीच में थोड़ा थोड़ा तो आई डोंट नो।
ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, चलो। ड्यूली नोटेड। हाँ, बट यू टॉकिंग अबाउट द ड्रेसिंग रूम।
या वाज ग्रेट मैन, आई थिंक। तो इसके भी पीछे एक स्टोरी है।
हुँ,
तो इन दिसंबर व्हेन वी हैड द द ग्रेट लूजिंग रन,
हुँ,
कि हम लोग मैच हारते जा रहे, एंड we have a dressing room full of people who have probably experienced that in their careers few times. Roy Krishna, obviously maybe he didn't because he came from ATK Mohun Bagan back then, from winning the ISL and everything. So he was there, Sandesh was there, all these guys. एंड मुझे याद है कि रॉय कृष्णा की बेटी का बर्थडे था और हम सब लोग उसके घर गए थे बर्थडे पार्टी पे मैच हारने के बाद।
हुँ।
तो हम लोग उधर बैठे हैं और मेरा भाई संदेश थोड़ा ही इज अ लीडर हु बिलीव्स एंड व्हाट ही
या
बिलीव्स ही
या
विल से।
या
ठीक है। तो हम लोग जैसे ऑलमोस्ट बॉटम ऑफ द टेबल ऐसे कुछ जो भी सीन चल रहा है, और संदेश मतलब खड़ा हुआ, उसने बोला, गाइस, यू माइट थिंक दैट आई एम you know making it up, or I'm just saying things out of thin air and all this, but believe me when I say this, that we will reach the finals of
हुँ,
the ISL.
हुँ।
And 90% लोग obviously भाई, हाँ हाँ ठीक है, गुड संदेश भाई, पर अंदर तो ऐसे लग रहा है अबे क्यों बोल रहे हैं ऐसे, कैसे जाएंगे यार
ठीक है,
अंदर।
ठीक है। हाँ,
बट that's the power of manifestation। और उसके
या
बाद फिर ऐसा हमारा लक बदला,
हुँ।
कि ऑलमोस्ट 11, आई थिंक 11 मैचेस, 11-12 मैचेस वी वर ऑन अ
क्रेज़ी
विनिंग
रन,
स्ट्रीक।
crazy run, crazy run, crazy run. And the Kantirava always helps in that. In your view, okay, if you can afford to be unbiased in this, your top
Hmm.
three sort of, atmospheres in the country in the ISL when the crowd is on it. So
That I've
we're
played,
talking about,
obviously, where I've played, because I haven't
of
watched
course,
games.
of course, we're talking about JLN at its peak, we're talking about Kantirava at its peak, we're talking about Salt Lake at its peak.
Ooh.
Mm,
See, Continua, I love. Number one, definitely.
दिल की बात।
Not just because of BFC, but also because of some of the national team games that I've played here.
Oh yeah,
And
yeah, yeah. How can we
they
forget that?
have been amazing, man. Like, I can't tell you how great that SAFCUP final feeling was there. Packed Kantirwa after the final whistle, after the penalty save, all this. Matlab, describe nahi kar sakta. Matlab, like,
Mm.
the feeling that you get in a
Yeah,
full stadium. And like you said, Kantirwa has its own acoustics,
yeah,
they
yeah,
hit you harder. So I would say Kantirwa definitely number one for me.
yeah.
I think also Salt
But
Lake, I would say second, but मतलब अभी का नहीं, पुराने का, like obviously I've been playing for
समझ गया।
years,
When you
and
played for
before
East
the season,
Bengal. हुँ,
when we had that artificial pitch.
हुँ।
At that time, my first derby match, man, like East Bengal versus Mohun Bagan, 100,000 people. Like you
Insanity,
can't
insanity.
fathom the amount of
Yeah.
like massiveness. Like, अरे यहाँ कहाँ देखो, मतलब ऐसे है।
हाँ, 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 हाँ।
If the ball crosses this half, यहाँ से फैंस
हाँ,
आवाज कर रहे हैं, हाँ,
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ,
बॉल
हाँ,
इधर आ रही है, वहां से हाँ, मतलब
हाँ,
कुछ सुनाई नहीं देता।
हाँ,
So
हाँ।
I would definitely say like that experience.
Yeah.
And obviously, yeah, Kerala Blasters,
हुँ,
Kochi Stadium.
हुँ।
Like, I've had games where I've conceded goals because of miscommunication
राइट।
that couldn't. speak or hear or say things to
Yeah.
defenders
Yeah.
because the crowd was so
Crowd was
loud.
so loud. Hmm.
Hmm. So yeah, man, I think these would be top three.
Now, the simple matter of Brazil, the most successful team in the World Cup, their most successful player, all-time leading goal scorer, Neymar, has not been called to the last two friendlies before the Brazilian squad is officially picked for the World Cup.
Injury
Friendlies
हुई
against.
इस बार.
Hmm?
He got injured, no? Again, I think.
He did get injured, Paji. He had an ACL and meniscus tear in 2023, after which he's not truly been able to recover his form. We're of course talking about Neymar in this case. And Neymar has not been picked by Carlo Ancelotti for Brazil's next two friendlies against Croatia and
Yeah,
who are they playing? France. Okay.
yeah.
So straight up, valid or no, according to you?
I think Brazil has a lot of good talent up front,
Hmm.
if you ask me,
Hmm.
who have been playing regular football.
Hmm.
Maybe only Endrick, वो भी अभी जाके खेलना स्टार्ट किया उसने लियोन में.
Hmm. Hmm.
Uh, but I would say, is Neymar replaceable in the Brazilian team? I think yes. You know, ऐसा तो है नहीं कि it's someone like the old Ronaldo, or
Hmm.
it's someone like Marquinhos, centre back, or
Yeah.
जो चाहिए ही चाहिए आदमी आपको. I
Hmm.
think Brazil has enough firepower up front.
Hmm. Hmm.
विनीसियस जूनियर है, डिकूनिया है, यार
Hmm.
लाइक इगो टूडर है, मतलब बहुत सारे लोग हैं उधर.
Hmm. Hmm.
आगे इतने सारे लोग हैं. चेल्सी के भी मेरे ख्याल से, चेल्सी का भी,
Estevao भी है.
या जॉ पेड्रो, and that guy Estuao is there, I
I
think
think he's
also.
injured though in the latest
Vinny
squad he's not
Junior,
been picked. Hmm.
या
How could we
विनी
forget
जूनियर
him?
इज देयर. ठीक है, मतलब बहुत लोग हैं यार आगे. मैंने देखा जब उन्होंने अनाउंसमेंट किया, मैं देख रहा डिफेंडर जल्दी खत्म हो गए, गोलकीपर भी जल्दी खत्म हो गए.
Hmm.
मैं अटैकर ही नहीं खत्म हो रहे. अटैकर मेरे ख्याल से ले लिए होंगे.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
So
देखो
I
बात
think for the
बात
friendlies, I think it's okay.
बात ठीक है, but now if you've not been picked in the squad, that's uh, if your final two friendlies before your World Cup squad is picked, correct? So ideally a coach would want to pick a combination in the final two friendlies which he might be looking at going ahead with uh in the actual tournament, right? And the fact that Neymar has
Yeah,
not been picked, uh, do you think Neymar has not been a consummate professional in how he's handled his body?
I mean we can only speculate on the
Yeah.
information that we see here, like on social media and internet. But
Hmm.
at the end of the day, उधर reality में क्या हो रहा है अपने को क्या पता.
Hmm. Hmm.
But I mean examples ले लो, संदेश जिंगन ले लो for example,
Hmm.
he
Hmm.
had ACL in one knee, he had ACL in another knee,
Yeah.
you know, but he still came back and
Right.
he's still playing good, and
Right.
he still came to the national team
Right. Right.
because he's such a dedicated person.
Hmm.
When he gets injured, he will put anything and everything of his mind
Hmm.
towards getting back.
Sure.
So, like,
Sure.
some people can achieve that, some people
Hmm.
cannot
Hmm.
achieve that mentally.
Hmm.
तो नेमार भाई का भाई अभी क्या क्या मालूम
Hmm.
अभी क्या, मतलब उन्होंने बैटमैन की ये गाड़ी ले ली और उधर प्लेन ले लिया, फिर हेलीकॉप्टर ले लिया.
Hmm.
तो उनकी भाई लाइफ ही डिफरेंट है. अभी क्या पता क्या कर रहे होंगे.
Hmm.
आइलैंड खरीद लिया, पहाड़ खरीद लिया, ने पैसे छोड़ दिए उनके लिए, क्या पता.
यार
99 प्रॉब्लम ब्रदर.
बात यही है ना कि एक्चुअली आपने अच्छा पॉइंट ये रेज किया है क्योंकि एज फैंस वी ऑलवेज वांट टू सी मोर आउट ऑफ द प्लेयर्स वी लव वी एंड इट्स इजी फॉर अस टू सिट एंड से यार ये करना चाहिए था वो करना चाहिए था क्यों नहीं पुश कर रहे अपने आप को मगर द ऑन ग्राउंड रियलिटी इज ओनली नोन टू द प्लेयर हु इज गोइंग
And
थ्रू
every
व्हाटएवर.
individual is different, bro. Like, what
हम्म.
if he is not mentally
हम्म.
that strong or that capable that
हम्म.
he cannot deal with him getting injured again?
हम्म.
उससे नहीं होता होगा उसको, मतलब मेंटली ऐसे अपसेट होता होगा वो, लाइक ही मस्ट बी इमोशनली समथिंग ही मस्ट बी फीलिंग.
श्योर.
हमारी तरह नहीं होगा रोबोट टाइप कि इंजर हुए, ठीक है, ये करना है, वापस आ गए.
हम्म. हम्म.
He
हम्म.
might be getting affected on a deeper, like,
श्योर. 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 या,
यार
या।
शिट यार फिर से इंजर हो गया, मेरा मन नहीं है वापस जाके खेलने का,
हुँ,
क्या है ये वो करके
हुँ,
जा मैं अपनी मन वाली गाड़ी निकालता हूँ। तो
हुँ,
ऐसे मतलब क्या उसके दिमाग में चलता होगा यार।
हुँ। Do you want him back? Do you want to see this? Does the football romantic in you want to see Neymar in the Brazil squad in the World Cup?
I'm a very old school person like that. If he's effective and he's going to win you games, yes.
हुँ, हुँ,
Otherwise, no point. Like otherwise ये मतलब फ्रेंडली टूर्नामेंट तो है नहीं, वर्ल्ड कप है। लियोनेल
या,
मेसी भी तभी है क्योंकि वो आके गेम्स इफेक्ट कर रहा है और जीत रहे हैं
हुँ,
उसकी वजह से। नहीं तो
हुँ,
उसको क्यों बुलाएंगे? भी
हुँ,
ठीक है, तुमने बहुत अच्छा किया, वर्ल्ड कप जिता दिया, चलो अभी बस करो।
हुँ,
You know, but he's there. Ronaldo is there. He wins games. He scores
हुँ,
goals. All this.
हुँ,
Messi is still doing that.
हुँ,
नेमार ने कितने गोल मारे लास्ट सीजन में, ये भी बता दो।
हाँ,
ज्यादा नहीं मारे।
मुझे भी पता। हुँ,
ठीक है, ऑलमोस्ट रेलीगेट होने वाले थे।
हुँ,
On the pitch, his antics were also, not the best.
श्योर, श्योर,
I've
श्योर।
seen videos of him going all the way back and starting a goal kick on his own because he's frustrated that the team is kicking a long ball.
हुँ,
So,
हुँ,
all these things are seen by
did matter. Yeah, yeah,
fellow players, fellow teammates in the national team as well.
sure।
और कोचेस बात करते होंगे प्लेयरों से कि यार तेरे को क्या लगता है ये वो, और वो
हुँ,
कहते होंगे भी ठीक है,
हुँ,
ही इज अ गुड
हुँ।
गुड प्लेयर बट he might be a liability.
Sure, sure, sure. Yeah, I think time will tell. Time will also tell as we get on to our third topic of our conversation whether the following teams are actually going to qualify for the quarterfinals of the UEFA Champions League. Can we please start with your favorite, the Bodos, the Bodo Glimt?
हाँ,
Did you just do the
वो
fan?
आपने आपने देखा है ना फा
देखा
उसके
है,
ऊपर
देखा है।
इंस्टाग्राम पे, अगर एडिटर भाई, अगर आपके पास वो कैपेबिलिटी है फा वाली डालने की तो फा वो डाल देना।
ठीक है, सही है, सही है। तो बोडो
बोधो वाले
ग्लिम्ट ने
ने
जो
हमारा
फ़ा
मजाक
किया है
उड़ाया
ना।
भाई,
हाँ?
बोधो वाले ने हमारा मजाक उड़ाया, रील अच्छी गई तो बोधो वाले ने भी हमारा दे दिया टोचन थोड़ा सा कमेंट डाल के, ये लो।
उन्होंने भी दवाई दे दी कि भाई देखो 4-0 5-0 नहीं था।
देखो 4-5 नहीं था, 6 था, तुम 6 खा के गए हो।
सही है। बट यू थिंक दे मेक इट थ्रू अगेंस्ट स्पोर्टिंग?
ओह दे
3-0।
आर 3,
आई नो दे आर 3-0 अप बट
ज्यादा से
we've
ज्यादा
seen
1
bigger
गोल खाने में
miracles.
2 गोल, 3 तो नहीं खाना चाहिए।
खाना तो नहीं चाहिए, खाए तो एसी मिलान ने भी 3 गोल थे ना लिवरपूल के खिलाफ चैंपियंस लीग फाइनल में।
अरे बट आई वुड से बोधो माइट हैंडल इट आउट मैन, लाइक दे आर प्रोफेशनल। वो
हुँ,
लोग प्लेयर लोग घोड़े हैं, वो कौन सा अभी आफ्टर
हुँ,
पार्टी करके जा रहे हैं वहां, उन्होंने
हुँ,
पूरा क्रायोथेरेपी
हुँ।
मार के, पूरा ऑक्सीजन चेम्बर में रिकवरी मार के, पूरा एकदम स्विमिंग पूल एकदम पूरा करके, खाना वाना सैल्मन वेलमन पेल के सब, दे विल गो देयर
याद है।
मैन। ठीक है, एंड
हाँ,
they'll I think they'll take care of business. I think they'll go through man.
या
They should man, they should।
दे शुड आई मीन दैट
और
नॉर्डिक।
बर्फ के गोले मारने चाहिए उनको,
क्या-क्या?
और बर्फ के गोले मारने चाहिए उनको।
That Nordic mentality is something that is really strong, right?
I
It's
think they
something.
are hungry man because they are not playing games. The season
हुँ,
is still not on there. तो वो लोग कह रहे हैं भी the more the merrier.
हुँ,
Let's play more games. These
हुँ,
are friendly games before the season starts.
right, right. Okay, cool. You want to give me a score prediction to see if you got it right, and then we can sort of
I think
snip it.
they're 3-0 up.
3-0 up.
So I would say I think Sporting might win 2-1. 2-1.
Okay, so they go through on an aggregate of 4-2.
Yeah.
Sounds fair enough. Sounds fair enough.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay,
I think that might be the case.
all right. City versus Real Madrid. The
City
the
versus
Valverde
Real
second
Madrid।
leg.
देखो जो फॉर्म अभी वेलवर्डे छोड़ो, कोर्तुआ की जो फॉर्म है,
Hmm.
उसमें तो मुश्किल ही लग रहा है कि कोई गोल शोल होगा इतनी इजीली। ठीक है,
Hmm.
कोर्तुआ भाई भी पूरा फा मूवमेंट में अभी।
सही है।
ठीक है, वो वो भी भाई थोड़ा सही से सेव निकाल रहा है यार, क्या सेव निकाला उसने भाई, वो
हाँ,
निको निको लुइस का।
टॉप टॉप टॉप।
लुइस, व्हिच लुइस? सम लुइस।
Hmm.
from that press, like that was a
Yeah.
great save, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
Not
Yeah.
only the goal, but saves like that uplifts the team and says that कि अपने वहाँ है बंदा जो save कर रहा है.
Hmm. Hmm.
I think
But,
I think oh I think Madrid, they might not win the game. I
hmm.
think it might draw, man. Like I feel like it's going to be a boring as draw. Key City might try
Hmm.
to keep the ball much, try to go there, but
Hmm.
Madrid
Hmm.
वालों ने अच्छे से पैकिंग करके रखा हुआ है सामान पीछे, तो
समझ गया,
नहीं जा पा. So
समझ
I
गया.
feel like it draw.
Quite possible. Quite possible. Okay. Arsenal Leverkusen.
Ooh, that's an interesting one, man. Uh, oh, Arsenal. Do you think Arsenal is going to go all out,
Yeah.
knowing the Premier League is there? What do you
Yeah.
think?
Look, I feel like with the Premier League, with Arsenal obviously having that lead right now, they've got a golden opportunity to go all the way in the Champions League as well. It's not like, in fact,
ये
they're
golden
only.
duck ना हो जाए.
Uh, or Leverkusen, yeah, Leverkusen is also, they have not enjoyed the best season. I think Arsenal is going to keep it tight at the back. They're going to try and be practical about it. Maybe they'll play 80% of their starters and hope that they turn up on the night. Look, if it's about quality and if it's about everyone turning up to their capacities.
I think this will be the best Champions League game out of all the kickoffs, all the fixtures.
देखो एक और गेम है लिवरपूल वर्सेस गैलाटासराय लिवरपूल हैव लॉस्ट 1-0 अवे एट गैलाटासराय और आपको मैं अपडेट ये दे दूं कि 60,000 के 60,000 जो फैंस होने वाले हैं एनफील्ड के अंदर दे गोना बी लिवरपूल फैंस बिकॉज़ गैलाटासराय फैंस हैव बीन बैंड फ्रॉम अटेंडिंग दिस मैच सो
अरे
100% ऑफ द स्टेडियम इज गोइंग टू बी सपोर्टिंग लिवरपूल एंड यू नो व्हेन दैट हैपेंस एट एनफील्ड मैड थिंग्स हैपन
Liverpool will score three, brother, three.
3 एंड गैलाटासराय
Galatasaray, I think, won't score, man. I think Liverpool 3-0, man.
3-0
Yeah, 3-0 at home, take care of business. One Boslai, one Words, and one Akchike.
Oh, Ekitike. What do you make of Ekitike? I really like him as a player. Really like him.
Hmm, ठीक है मतलब he's been effective this season, let's say
Yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah.
But is he better than Isak and
He's
stuff
been
like
more
that? I
effective
don't.
than Isak.
हाँ, बट वो कभी-कभी हो जाता है कि जो आपने चाइनीज़ आईफ़ोन लिया था, वो चल गया। पर जो ओरिजिनल आईफ़ोन आपने लिया था, उसका सॉफ्टवेयर अपडेट अभी होना है।
अपडेट होने वाला है
हाँ,
ठीक है
तो अभी तो जब अपडेट हो गया, तो वो चाइनीज़ आईफ़ोन का चार्जर हो जाएगा खराब।
चलो ठीक है अब
हाँ,
देखा जाएगा
तो
ओके
हाँ।
ओके पाजी लेस देन अ मिनट टू गो ओके बिफोर रिकॉर्डिंग
हुँ,
स्टॉप्स लास्ट गेम बार्सिलोना न्यूकासल हु गोस थ्रू
हुँ। By Barcelona, man, Barcelona. Newcastle, I think, is gonna be in that थिंक किया क्या बात है स्पेन आए हैं, क्या बात है थोड़ा शॉपिंग शॉपिंग चल रहे कैंप न्यू भी आए हैं, चलो कोई बात नहीं घूम भी लेते हैं।